Did you know lottery players who pick their own numbers are willing to pay more for their tickets than people who use Quick Pick? Same exact odds. But somehow choosing 7, 14, 21 feels more powerful than letting the machine decide. This is called the illusions of control. Your brain tricks you into thinking you can influence random outcomes. Athletes wear the same socks for every game. Investors think they can time the market perfectly. Gamblers believe they've cracked some secret system. There's even this famous experiment where people kept pressing elevator buttons that were already lit up, convinced it would make the elevator come faster. Why does your brain do this? Because feeling in control kept our ancestors alive. If they gave up every time things seemed random, they'd never have survived. But today, this bias makes you overconfident in business deals, investment choices, and health decisions. Casinos know this. That's why they let you pick your own cards and throw your own dice. Here's the reality check. Before making any big decision, ask yourself what's actually under your control versus pure chance.